Now, of course, it's the responsibility of the IT manager to make sure that all the systems are running secure, that they're running healthy, that they're patched, that they're updated, and that they're running as healthy as they can be. All right. And of course, you could be talking with your techs and asking them, hey, how is the server running? Yeah, they're running well. The servers are running good. How is the desktops running? Yeah, they're running okay. How are our switches? Are they? Do we have enough ports for them? Yeah, we've got enough ports, and they're all running healthy, and they're all running at the right speed. All the ports are running at the right speed. They're all gigabit ports, for example. That's nice. Or you can log into each individual system and check the health of everything. Now, what's cool is there's a lot of great platforms out there. The help desk system could be one that we talked about in the previous video, but there's a lot of other systems that can scan your network and give you snapshots and dashboards on the overall health of your environment. This makes it very, very easy because you as the IT manager, you don't have to be as concerned with every small, intricate detail as you were when you were a tech. You now need to think a little bit more big picture. You want a snapshot. You want a high level overview on the health and the safety and the security of all of your systems. So there are dashboards available where you can just log in and you can see at a snapshot, everything is running okay. You could have a TV set up in the IT manager's office with green, orange, red, amber lights against some of the core systems. Let's say you have a core application. You have your core systems such as your domain controllers in there, and they're always sending a ping alert. The system is now operating on the website. As soon as something goes down, that goes red or that goes orange. You have that visibility straight away and you can see straight away when something has gone wrong. So here would be an example of a dashboard from a ticketing system. You see that it's giving me a snapshot on all of my status of all of my tickets, those that are open, closed, resolved, pending. It's got a nice little graph. All of these are completely customizable. So you can have graphs, you can have bar charts. You've then got tickets assigned by techs. So if you have a responsibility around multiple techs, you can clearly see how many tickets have been assigned against different techs or even individual tech groups. The alert levels. You've then even got by request type. Is it an upgrade? Is it an installation? Is it web? Is it phones? All that sort of stuff. So having a good snapshot to see all of this straight away gives you a good overview on your environment and what your techs are actually up to. Even tickets by alert condition. So 2 have got no alerts, not completed. Well, we've got 41. So we've got to probably get onto them and make sure that they are resolving these tickets. This is another example, cyber analytics. And very similarly, you've got open incidents. So currently 265 open incidents. Then you've got a whole bunch of resolved. Of course, these are all customizable again. We've got open tickets and then resolved tickets. And of course, the difference has been that incidents is something has gone wrong. A ticket could be something like a service request. I need actually something actioned. And then you've got a good snapshot there around what sort of tickets have been coming through this particular incident and ticket analytics report. Here's a great system that I use quite frequently called PRTG. Essentially, it's a monitoring solution that you install on a server, and you can see a snapshot on how the health of your infrastructure is looking. So you essentially set up alerts and sensors against your servers, against your network, and you can see whether there's any devices throwing up alerts. Perhaps certain things are not pinging correctly. And then all of this system on a dashboard shows me what's going on, but also will go and generate tickets automatically to specific techs as it needs to as particular events are triggered. So here would be another simple example. You've got 4 high alerts against our system, 23 SQL Server alerts that are high. That's actually quite concerning. So you've got to get onto that. And you as the manager, of course, you are ultimately responsible. So you'll be working with the SQL Server engineers to actually resolve those 23 that are high. You've got 1 medium and then you've got 4 lows. So the lows are not as important. So the highs are the ones that you want to get into. So something that I would recommend is you have perhaps a TV or a projector, something projecting onto a wall or into a TV, set up to a computer, and you have this on a rotation in your IT room, in your server room, so you can see at a snapshot all the time what is going on. It's imperative that you know when your systems are operational, when they're not, when the health is running a little bit poorly, okay? So having snapshots, having dashboards of how things are going on helps you, makes your life easier as well.